Every single day I walk into a place of business and I see this guy at the front desk with his head down on his phone. Whether I'm coming or going, he's got his head down on his phone. He's not doing anything else. He's not making himself invaluable. It made me reflect. When I was a kid, I worked for a plumber. He said to thread the pipe. Every day I try to outperform how many pipes I threaded for him. I always cared about the jobs that I was doing. When I was a busboy, I wanted to sell more wine to help the waiters make more money. When I graduated college, my first job was in a call center. I walked into the call center. They said, these are the records that people set. These are the sales that they get. I broke those records in 3 weeks. In 3 months, I ran the call center. I had all the people reporting to me. I wanted to be invaluable. My next job was working in sales for an internet marketing company. I walked in, they said, this is the record. I wanted to beat that record. In 45 days, I beat that record. In 3 months, I ran the place. And then I started my own company because it didn't go the way I wanted it to go. The point is that I cared. The point is that I made myself invaluable no matter what I was doing because I wasn't focused on tomorrow and the future and what I might be. I was looking at the opportunities that were in front of me and saying, how can I make the most out of this opportunity? Because you never know what's going to happen. You absolutely have to think bigger and stronger and care about what you do. Otherwise, don't fucking do it.